Morning folks, it's Andy here from Bushcraft. Hope you're having a nice day and welcome to another video. Right folks, that's the fire going. I've brought some steak with me, so what I'm going to do is let the fire burn down to coals and I'm just going to throw the steak straight into the coals and cook it that way. Caveman steak. It's become a fun favourite of mine over the past few months. And my kids actually, when we go out, they're fond of it as well. But got my char tin here. What I'm looking for is some punk woods. I've only got a couple of pieces of the Char-Wood left. It's better than cutting up your cotton t-shirt, because you don't want to get sunburnt. So I found some punky wood here. The Rusty's come to join us, and this is a decent bit here. It's a bit damp, and I have experimented with punk wood, putting it in damp or while it's bone dry, and in all honesty you get the same effect, or at least I have done anyway. Got the same effect. It chars the same either way. So I'm going to collect a few pieces of this. I find the stuff that's more like spongy is the stuff that works the best. Just better to see how spongy that is. Sort of just crumbles. But that's the stuff I find works the best. So I'll take these other pieces out, set them aside, and I'll gather my set. Come with me. Get that. And then I'll put these in. I'll just break into chunks like that. They'll shrink down. I mean, those were a lot bigger when they went in, but we've got 3 chunks of it in there, and they'll shrink down, and then probably make another couple of bits because I'm out for the day anyway. Yeah. But that's a Char-Wood on the fire in a little tin. That'll take about 45 minutes. I'm still just waiting for the fire to burn down to coals, and I'll chuck the steak on that and get that going. But yeah, been looking forward to today. It's been a long time since I've come out, to be honest. Long time since I've made a video. I think the last video that I put up was me and my daughter, but that was actually legacy footage that got lost on my laptop. So that video was actually filmed the beginning of last year rather than anytime soon. So the video before that one that went up, I think was the kit video. That was the last video that I've actually done recently. It's just work. It's been really busy at work. Haven't been able to get away. And then the wife, she's started a new job as well now. So like on my days off, if she's working, she needs a car to drive to work. So then I don't have a car to come to the woods. And plus I would be looking after the kids anyway. I mean, I could have brought the kids to the woods and could have done a video, but the wife has a car, eh? So yeah, been looking forward to this. Looking forward to the steak when that gets going. Didn't actually set off till about 12:30. So like the heat of the day. It was supposed to have got up to 22 degrees Celsius today. I don't know if it did. I don't have any way to read the temperature, but yeah, it was pretty warm walking up here because this bit's uphill. And I've got, I don't know if that's in shot, but it's the Ortlieb water bag, and it can carry 4 litres of water. So we've hit swishing about on my back trying to walk uphill. Yeah, it was fun. So this is my ruby sharpening stone. It's just a field stone, obviously. Use it when I'm out and about if I need to touch up the edge of my knife. And as you've seen, I've just hammered in a couple of pins either end that I'll keep in this leather pouch, just to hold it in place so it doesn't move back and forth when I'm doing the deed. But I've had a few questions about it in the past, so I just thought I'd mention it in this video now while I'm out. It's off of eBay, and it's called ruby sharpening stone. Now I don't know if that's its official name or if it's called something else, but on eBay it's called ruby sharpening stone. You can pick them up for about £6.99. That includes postage and packaging. They come from China, so it could take a couple of weeks to get to you. But it is a very, very good stone. It's about the same size as a DC4 sharpening stone. This puts a brilliant edge on my knife. You don't have to soak it or anything, just use it dry. And every now and again just give it a wash under a tap of running water. That's all you really have to do. It's rated at to be a 3000 grit stone. So there it is, there's my steak. On one side I've seasoned it with some barbecue sauce and then salt and pepper, and then the other side it's seasoned with some soy sauce and garlic salt. So should be very, very tasty. That's the fire burned down to coals, so I'm going to get that on there now. So here's the Char-Wood that I made. 3 decent sized pieces, and I'll chuck the other 3 pieces that I had still left over in there and all. So there it is, looking nice. I cut a chunk off of Rusty, also going to give him the fat, because he's a fiend for the fat, and I'm not so much. Yeah, look at that. Even the answer at it. Can't explain to you how nice that is. There are no words. Chrissy, you want it? No? Ah well. I'll have it. It's always so juicy, straight off the coals. Amazing. Are you jealous yet? It's never enough, is it? Do you want this bit? You want this bit? Come on. You don't want it? Come on. There we go. Sit down. Sit down. Come on, sit down. Sit. Good boy. Gentle. I think he thinks I'm going to take it off him after I just give it him. It's always worth the wait. Always worth the wait. I'm just about to strop my knife here. I made this one myself, it's just a piece of wood, bit of leather glued on top. But I've got this arrow drawn on the side, and someone asked me once, was there a reason for it? And there is. It shows the direction of travel when I'm stropping my knife. That arrow points with the grain. So if I do it the other way, then it's against the grain. And I've noticed, now I don't know if this is just my knife or if it's the leather I'm using, but I've noticed that when I go with the grain, it touches the edge up a lot better than what it does if I go against the grain. So there you are. So the arrow's pointing towards me, so I'm going to strop the blade backwards towards me. I do it 5 on each side and then alternate. And I'll turn it towards you, and then the arrow's pointing towards you, so that's with the grain towards you. I'll usually do that a few more times. But like I says, I don't know if it's just this leather and that's how it works, or if that's how it is when you strop knives, you're supposed to do it with the grain. Or if maybe it's the steel of my knife, I don't know. But also I used to use that, you know, honing compound, Starkey Blue or Smurf's Poo, the blue stuff. I don't use it anymore because I don't find it makes any difference whether I do or not. People say it gives you a better edge on your knife when you use it. Personally, I've never noticed whether it gives a better edge using it or it doesn't. It's all the same either way to me, so I don't bother using it anymore. I just strop straight onto the leather. It gives me a good enough edge that I could do what I wanted to do, so I'm happy with how my system works at the minute. But yeah. Well folks, that's me heading home now. Thanks for stopping by again, really appreciate you doing so. And if you haven't already done so, please subscribe and leave a comment. And I guess I'll see you in the next one. Take care.